For today, we will be dividing polynomials using long division method. So, long division method will give us quotient and the remainder upon dividing polynomials. Just like with long division of integers, diba kung integers, for example, 538 divided by 5, tingnan yan, ito ang long division method. Divide si 5 divided by 5. Ang answer niyo mo sa ibabaw ibutang 1. Then multiply the quotient and the what do you call this? Divisor. 1 times 5 is 5. Then subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. So wala na. Bring down the next number 3. 3 divided by 5 cannot be. So 0. 0 times 5, 0. Minus 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring down 8. 38 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 38 minus 35 is 3. So wala naman kayo ma-bring down. Therefore, the quotient is 107 and the remainder is 3. For polynomials, nga na ragyat mo sa forma. Okay, let's have our first example for division of polynomials. X cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay, ari ka sa first term, nga po mag-start, x cubed. Pero ang imong divisor, ang imong i-divide is the first term only of the divisor. Na itong divisor ka x minus 1 man. Pero, that would be x cubed divided by x. So, ang result, x squared. Pag human, kanina po i-multiply nimo to each term of the divisor. So, x squared times x. Tungod nimo aring pariha og exponent. So, x cubed. X squared times negative 1, negative x squared. Then, subtract. More than one term naman na, you must apply the rule in subtracting integers or kananay sign. So, keep the sign of this, change minus to plus, and change all the sign of the subtrahend. So, from positive, it will become negative. Negative, it will become positive. X cubed plus negative x cubed is 0. So, makancel na. Negative 2x squared plus positive x squared. So, pareha silang x squared. So, ngimuha rang i-subtract or i-add ang karirang ilahang numerical coefficient. So, negative 2 plus, so, adyan mo, understood to be 1, is negative 1 or negative copy x squared. Then, bring down plus 3x. Negative x squared, divide na po sa first term sa ito ang divisor, x is negative x. Then multiply negative x times x, negative x squared. Negative x times negative 1, positive x. Then proceed to subtraction, minus. Keep, change, change, change. Negative x squared plus positive x squared is 0. 3x plus negative x is 2x. Bring down plus 2. 2x divided by x, positive 2. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Minus, keep, change minus to plus, change all the sign of the subtrahend. So from positive, it will become negative, negative to positive. 2x plus negative 2x, opposite sign, 0. 2 plus positive 2 is positive 4. Therefore, the remainder here is 4. So, base na tinga mo nga nung pag-divide na to aning x cubed divided by x na himong x squared, diba man na naman taana sa dividing rational algebraic expression. So, ito nga ni x cubed divided by x. You have to subtract their exponent. Copy the same base x, then exponents 3 minus, wadya mo, understood to be 1, minus 1. So, ang nabilin, x squared. X squared. Kaya kung mag-times po ka, ang exponent po nila, i-add. Manang x squared times x, 2 plus 1, answer niyo mo, x cubed. Let's proceed to our second example. X cubed plus 8x squared plus 19x plus 12 divided by x plus 1. So, focus with the first term, x cubed divided by x. So, sa ganito yung purma, x cubed divided by x equals, copy the same base, then subtract their exponent, minus 1 equals x, 3 minus 1, 2. You write your answer above, x squared. Multiply x squared times x, so x, 2 plus 1, cube. X squared times 1, positive x squared. Then subtract. Copy the same sign. Change. X cubed plus negative x cubed is 0, or na-cancel out. 8x squared plus negative x squared, the same literal coefficient. So, add their numerical coefficient. 8 plus negative 1, negative man, opposite sign, so you have to subtract. So the answer is 7x squared. Bring down plus 19x. 7x squared divided by x is positive 7x. Multiply 7x times x, 7x squared. 7x times positive 1, positive 7x. Minus. Keep, change. Okay, 7x squared plus negative 7x squared is equal to 0. Sumawa na siya. 19x plus negative 7x is 12x. Then bring down plus 12. 12x divided by x is positive 12. 12 times x, 12x. 12 times positive 1, positive 12. Then, subtract. Keep the sign of the minuend, change minus to plus, and change all the sign of the subtrahend. So, from positive, it will become negative, positive to negative. 12x plus negative 12x, cancel. 12 plus negative 12, cancel. So, 0. Therefore, the quotient is x squared plus 7x plus 12, and the remainder is 0.